Hi, everybody. I'm going to make a brief statement, and then I'm going to open it up for some questions, okay? A lot going on in this building and this franchise for the last several days, and we're going to move ahead accordingly. As far as the team is concerned, bottom line, we're 3-2. It's week 6. All of our goals are ahead of us. 3-2, 1 game out of the AFC lead. The focus has got to be on Denver.
Let's get it, right? Let's go, man.
We're only gonna go as far as y'all take us, fellas. Lead the charge.
Let's go.
Lead. Here we go, fellas. We're going. Let's go.
Gorgeous day for football, and yes, the Bronco fans are out wearing their orange.
Please give a warm, mile high welcome to the Las Vegas Raiders.
It's time to make a choice.
Yep.
It's time to decide what team is. We're going to choose today to play fast. We're going to choose to play together. We're going to choose to overcome adversity. We're going to choose to be great, man. Make that choice. Make it play and play like Raiders. Here we go. Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We are underway in Colorado. Here comes Derek Carr. 11 straight games they have gone without scoring on their opening possession.
Carr looking to throw. Deep shot. Ruggs is down there. He's got it. Ruggs at the 5, and he takes it in. Goal! Goal! What a statement opening drive by the Las Vegas Raiders. Goal! It's the first time the Raiders have scored points on their opening drive since week 11 of last year.
What them dogs at up front? What them dogs at up front?
How about this in the first quarter, lining up to go for it on 4th and 1. 8 fourth-down conversions by Denver this year. That's the most in the NFL. Can they make it 9? No, it's intercepted. Picked off by Brandon Faison in just his second game with Las Vegas.
He didn't do that crap.
Tackle when you're supposed to tackle.
2nd and 10. Bridgewater wants to test him again. Has time, and he's hit in the pocket and crushed. Brought down at the 25-yard line. Turning the somersault. Mad Max Crosby rips into Bridgewater.
And he was like, he looked like he was going to run around, but he kept going upfield, so I just got rid of him and ran. And I came and penetrated. He wrapped, but you came across the hand. But you're good, though. Just keep moving.
2nd down and 10. James over the ball just across the Raiders' 35-yard line. Carr takes it straight back, has time, goes deep down the middle. Waller, he's got it. Waller's got it. Out of bounds at the 32. They continue to run the clock.
Carr looking for Drake, and he got it. Drake inside the 5, and he's in for a touchdown. What a pass from Carr. Kenyon Drake's first touchdown as a member of the Raiders.
Bridgewater is sacked. Mad Max Crosby doing it again. Mad Max is going to be an all-pro. He's one of the best rush-ins in football.
How about the Vegas defense today? 3 sacks, 8 quarterback hits. And it doesn't look like either team is going to use a timeout here, and that should be the final play of the first half.
Sound like everybody want to be here, baby.
So many questions about how the Raiders would look after their tumultuous week. So far, so good for Las Vegas.
Hey, everybody be ready to make a play, bro. Everybody be ready to make a play.
Everybody be ready. It's a big series for the offense.
Some shadows now on the field here at Empower Field at Mile High. Carlson boots it away. 2nd down and 4. Pressure's coming. Carr gets rid of it. A screen to Jacobs. Jacobs with room to run. Jacobs still going inside the 30 and finally down at the 21-yard line.
Drake, who caught that touchdown pass at the end of the first half, is the running back. Strong to the left. Here's Drake through the middle, got daylight. Jackpot, baby! Kenyon Drake, 2nd Vegas touchdown.
You got it. You got it. Let's go.
That's the Drake I know. What I told. That's the Drake I know.
Appreciate you.
Hey, you hit that.
Everybody.
Hey, everybody. I'm just gonna get out there left.
Hey, I should've. I should've scored.
Hey,
You told me that though. Running back time of the day.
They hit that spot.
Great. You all right? I don't know.
Yeah, he hit one, and then somebody came and hit him. Yeah. Look, when I seen him hit that, I said, yeah.
Bridgewater in trouble, steps up, and he's taken down at the 40. Ball came out, and the Raiders are indicating they have it.
Raiders pounce. Raiders pounce. They've got it. It'll be Derek Carr and the Raiders taking over in Bronco territory. Carr, deep drop. Gonna go deep down the field, down the middle, battle for it. Battle down inside the 5, and he got it. He got it. They were waiting to see, and it was Ruggs going deep, and he caught it, hung on to it. It's 1st down and goal.
Jacobs again. Jacobs takes it in for a Las Vegas touchdown.
Wrong damn time.
Josh Jacobs, touchdown for the Las Vegas Raiders.
Good job, baby. Hey, let's go.
To go against the rival Raiders, if you're a fan, I think this is your opportunity to make a little bit of noise if you're a Denver Broncos fan.
And they are. 3rd and 6. Carr looking for Edwards. One-handed catch down the sideline. Edwards shoved out of bounds by Simmons. What a grab by Brian Edwards. A 51-yard reception by Brian Edwards. That's a career long. Bridgewater looking deep for Sutton, and it's picked off. Merrick, his first NFL interception. Trayvon Merrick, the 2nd-round pick out of TCU.
You know. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. No, don't talk about that.
First pick. Yeah.
Intercepted by Abram. Well, that's the 3rd interception today for Teddy Bridgewater, and it caps a banner day for the Las Vegas defense.
Hell no. Hey, I said he going too far. Hey, you ran too far, bro. Man, I was working it. Hey, you ran so far. I know he's not right. I said I can't go out.
Rich Bisaccia told us we are forging our identity through adversity. They did that today, 34-24 the final.
Hey, man, feels great. Bouncing back from adversity. That's what Raiders do.
Hey, what's that? Four turnovers? 4? I'll take that every day. We did what we came here to do. Straight up.
Hey, we had to put them boys away. Hey, just stay tuned. We coming. Hey, back in the dub column, man. Continue to stack him. 1-0.